Hello, I'm Wendy Kuschel.
And I'm Emily Schutte. Has a church or school website ever caught your eye, but you have no clue where to start in getting yours to look that good?
Do you need help getting others on board and making your website a priority?
Join Wendy and me April 12th and 13th for a hands-on website workshop where we'll dive into your actual websites and help make simple yet impactful changes that'll help you market your church or school more effectively.
Things like color contrasts, fonts, backgrounds, making it mobile friendly, visitor friendly, and yet serving the needs of your congregation.
We encourage anyone who knows the back end of your website to be at our workshop.
And hey, if that's not you, you are still more than welcome and can always take good notes to pass on to your team.
We are so passionate about simplifying ministry communications and helping church leaders understand the importance of marketing your ministries.
One big way you can do this is through a great website. We will see you in April at Dare to Lead.